Difference between custom and law. First different. Law is making, custom is a growth. Second, law need special agency for enforcement, but custom does not. 3. Law is specific, but customs are not. 4. Law is more flexible and adaptable than custom. 5. Customs fade and disappear without formal abolition. 6. Law is more idealistic than custom. 7. Law generally deals with matters which are vital to the life of society. Detail going on. First, law is a make, custom is a growth. Law is explicitly and deliberately made by the definite power of the state, whereas custom is a group of procedure that has gradually, without express enactment, without any constituted authority to declare it, to apply it and to safeguard it. Custom emerges spontaneously without any guide or direction. Law is consciously created and put into force at the moment of its enactment. In other words, law is a make, custom is a growth. Second, law needs a special agency for enforcement and custom does not. Law is applied by a special agency and is sanctioned by organized coercive authority. Custom does not need any special agency for its application. It is enforced by spontaneously social action. No physical penalty visits a violator of custom, whereas punishment is meted out to one who violates the law. 3. Law is specific, customs are not. Law is specific, definite and clear. One can know that the laws of the land are, but it is only known by a privileged minority. Customs, on the other hand, are not definite or clear. They are not codified in any single book, so that it becomes difficult to know all the customs of the land. 4. Law is more flexible and adaptable than custom. Law can readily adjust itself to changing conditions, whereas customs cannot be readily changed. Customs are relatively fixed and permanent. In times of crisis, a law can be immediately enacted to meet the emergency. A sudden change cannot be brought about in custom. 5. Customs fade and disappear without formal abolition and without recognition by any authority. But laws disappear only when abolished by a recognized authority. Just as formal enactment of law is necessary for it to come into effect, so its formal abolition is necessary to stop its binding influence. Six, law is more idealistic than custom. It is the offspring of mind and directed to aims which are far above the actual practice of society. Custom is the product experience and mainly concerned with the daily routine of life. Law reforms the customs and abolishes those which are out of tune with the changing conditions. For example, the Hindu Marriage Act seeks to reform and abolish many of the Hindu customs regarding marriage, divorce, etc. 7. Law generally deals with matters which are vital to the life of society, whereas the subject matter of custom is more ordinary and familiar. The customs we observe in addressing persons of authority or taking our meals or celebrating our festivals do not rise above the commonplace, but the laws passed for creating a national academy of welfare state